Thank you everyone for joining. We're going to be starting our meditation here. What a beautiful day to come together. It's a very energetic day. We have a solar eclipse happening, allowing radiant energy and light to come through, which gives us the opportunity, a big opportunity, to come together and use our intention of oneness to create the possibilities and probabilities that we desire and intend for our sovereign energy beings that we are. Now, as we begin our meditation, we're going to start with a breathing exercise to clear the clutter from our head and all of the extra noise that's been in our day today and surrounding us. So let's take our deep breath here. Exhale it all out. Let's take another deep breath in. And exhale it all out. Now realize and notice your breathing starting to slow and your heart becomes at the forefront of our awareness. As we inhale, our heart expands, and as we exhale, we shed all that no longer serves us. We visualize the space around our shoulders and our head. In this space, we are going to be clearing with our breath. Inhale and exhale it all out. Visualize the heart expanding. Inhale again. And exhale it all out. As we're clearing the space around our head, allowing pure divine light to enter into our heart space, into our auric field. Now with this energetic, bright, divine light surrounding our body, our torus field, we are visualizing our auric field brightening and expanding and aligning. We are aligning with our divine, grand central sun that is giving us an opportunity to connect with our divine source where all intelligence and all information resides. We are becoming connected and expanding to where this is our true timeline of higher dimensions. We align with the higher dimensions with the power of our breath. When we slow our breath and become one with our breath in our heart space, we are in divine guidance. We are guided by our heart space, which is in direct connection with Source in our toroidal fields. When we feel into our heart and expand our hearts, we feel compassion and joy and truth. This is what we stand for. We are truth. We are divine light and compassion and joy and bliss-charged love. This is all that there is. And we connect and we align. We activate our chakras to align with this divine, compassionate love that we are. Now, as we envision our energy light bodies expanding our light, we visualize our planet, Mother Gaia. We envision our mother in connection with us. We envision this great diamond energy ball of love flying through our universe, our cosmos. We are always moving. We are never at standing still point. We are always moving at quantum speeds. And when we connect with our Mother Gaia and we are at peace and feel calm, we are guided intuitively. Our light that we shine is expanding. It is connecting. Other light workers, other starseed souls on this mission as other selves, as we are oneness, we realize and notice this bright energetic light spreading all around our Mother Gaia as we are called to do this at this time together, strategically placed around our Mother Gaia to activate truth, sovereignty, and liberation over all that no longer serves the light. We are only in contact and in divine connection with pure organic light that serves Source. As we are intelligent beings, we connect and activate with this energy. And so it is. It is done. Now we sit with this bright, energetic light that is surrounding and penetrating into our Mother Gaia. She is so alive, and she is radiating love back to us as the sentient being that she is. She is aware of our love, that we are connecting. Our Mother Gaia and our light energy bodies, our electromagnetic toroidal field bodies, are merging and connecting with our higher consciousness, our higher selves, higher dimensions, and with Source. This is all that there is. When we are in this space, we feel peace and love and connection and unity for all life. All life is connected through the heart, which is Source. We radiate with our hearts and expand our heart spaces. By doing this, we allow any energetic match to come into our field and match our energetic love, light love, compassionate energy. We match that frequency with our toroidal fields into the Akashic records, where we may now create our past, our present, and our future for what we desire and intend as sovereign, liberated energy beings. The Akashic Records allows us to free ourselves from any contracts that do not serve our agendas here as pure service to others. This is the mission, and we are activated and aligned with our mission to be in service, to be in love, to be aware. This is all that there is. And this is now. Now we visualize this bright, radiating, energetic light from our grand central sun as a pillar coming down into our crown chakra, down into our Mother Gaia, as we are connected as oneness, activated, connected, and aligned with truth, with sovereignty. We are liberated, we are free, as we are love, and love is all that there is. When we feel the feelings and emotions of love, the heart space aligns and you feel guided through synchronicities in your day. You know when you are guided through the heart space, when you feel peace and calm. Do not allow your head space to clutter your intentions with your heart space. The ego is not in control. The heart space is control and is divine connection. It is the only organic guidance connected through synchronicities into our source. Feel into that energy. You will know when you are in this space. Surrender and let go. For when we surrender and let go, the ego can no longer control, and we are intuitively guided with the heart space. Feel into this. We are pure love light energy. Remember, we are connected as light workers, star seeds on a mission here, as warriors of light, to share this information through acts of service and kindness to others. May our light and love be seen and felt by all of those around and all of those who are in need. For we are aware, and we are connected, and we are oneness. You are love. You are loved. I love you. And so it is. It is done. Namaste. Thank you, everybody, for connecting and being called into this mission. As this opportunity we have to radiate our light together and counteract any dark agendas that we do not intend, and we are not a part of this. We have called that, we have said it, and it is done. For our divine path is where we are now. Now we bring our focus back into our energy bodies, into the physical body, moving your limbs a little bit to come into this body and anchor in the mission. For the mission may now be carried out into this physical incarnation. I'm so thankful for you. Thank you so much. We will connect again. I love you. Bye for now.